Good morning, everybody. Hope all are well. Okay, in the previous class, we saw the e-governance. Now we see e-service. Now we see e-service and Bangladesh. Then e-service and Bangladesh. E-service, electronic service and Bangladesh. Okay. Hope we understand that what is e-governance. Okay. Many government and non-government service providing organizations provide the citizens with temporary and full-time service. This might be traveling from one place to another or issuing duplicate records of a land. Before the introduction of the digital system, the service seekers had to meet the service provider. But now they can receive the service through the internet or mobile phones while staying at home. Okay. Staying at home, we can benefit from this service. Okay. For example, they can purchase tickets through the internet or mobile phone. People a few days ago had to go physically to Kamalapur train station. Okay. A few days ago, people had to go physically to Kamalapur station to purchase their ticket and stand in the queue before the counters for tickets. The system is still in practice, but now anyone can collect tickets and pay the fares online. Okay, through online. Providing service through an electronic system is called e-service. Providing service through an electronic system is called e-service. Okay. E-service ensures availability of service at low cost in the shortest possible time without much hassle. E-service has already been introduced to several ministries, departments and directorates of the government of Bangladesh. The digital edition of textbooks, e-settlement records, e-permit, e-tickets, telemedicine, e-tin registrations and income tax calculation etc. are the example of e-service. Okay, so it is important for your MCQ, the examples of e-service. Okay, e-permit or electronic permit. It is one of the primary e-service of the country. The sugarcane farmers of 50 sugar mills of the country get e-permit through the message option of the cell phone. Okay, and e-permit is the official permission of the sugar mill's authority for the farmers to supply sugar canes at a fixed time. The harassment of the farmers has come to an end as they receive the information of supplying sugar canes through SMS. Okay. The harassment of the farmers has come to end for this e-permit because they receive some important information about sugarcane through SMS. The production of the sugar mills has also been increased due to timely supply of sugar cane. Electronic Money Transfer System or MTS. MTS means Electronic Money Transfer System. Money can be sent at a low cost from one place to another quickly and safely through the electronic money transfer system of the Bangladesh Postal Department. It is possible to transfer BD 5 lakh in 1 minute. BDT 50,000 in 1 minute. This service is available in all post offices in Bangladesh. E-settlement records. The duplicate of land settlement records can be collected through this service. Previously, employees of the Land Settlement Department would supply the information to the application from big record books after filling up the prescribed forms. The application had to be present physically in the office, and the employees of the concerned department would prepare it manually. Because of the e-service, applicants at home and abroad can receive the settlement records, paying the required fees. For the e-settlement records, customer can receive the settlement records, paying the required fees. E-healthcare. Okay. For the e-service, people can get benefits of e-healthcare. Physicians in government health centers give advice on mobile phone. Gives advice on mobile phone. That is why government hospitals have been provided with mobile phone. Okay, it is very important in today's in corona. Okay, it is very important. Any citizens of the country can get the advice of any physicians. Besides, in some hospitals, telemedicine service has been introduced. Because of the telemedical service, patient in Upazila may avail the service and advice of medical specialists in district hospitals on mobile phone. Okay. Then e-ticketing and mobile ticketing of railway. Tickets of some intercity trains can be collected either through mobile phone or online. As a result, travelers can purchase the ticket at their convenience without going to the ticket counters of the railway station. They can reach the station just before the departure of the train and collect the printed ticket from a particular counter. Okay. Understand, boys? Okay. Boys, for your help, I read line by line. Okay, I read line by line for your betterment. If you read every line of your book, I hope you will be better in your exam, because there are huge MCQ in your books. Okay, for that reason you should read line by line of ICT book. Okay, boys, I also advise you that you should follow not only my class but also sir's class. Okay, but also sir class. You should follow both teacher of ICT. Okay, so I hope you follow both teacher class. Okay, no more today. Thank you, boys.